Alright, now let's quickly write the Java code for finding the intersection values between two arrays using binary searching technique. So here, if you see, I have defined the new class and added the function declaration in which we will be writing our solution. Along with that, I have added the binary search function that we have already implemented previously as well. So here, as part of the first step, what I want to do is I want to sort the second array. It really doesn't matter which array you are sorting, but I want to sort the second array, and I want to iterate over the first array, and I want to check the value from array 1 is available in array 2 using binary searching technique. So that is the entire algorithm that I will be following. So here, as part of the first step, let me just sort the array 2 itself. Okay, once I have the second array sorted, as part of the next step, what I want to do is for int I is equal to 0, I less than the first array dot length I plus plus. You just need to remember here array 1 and array 2 have different lengths. Since we are iterating over the array 1, we need to make sure that array 1 dot length has been used here. Okay, now here what I want to do is I want to search the value at ith index on the second array, because the second array has been sorted in the ascending order, and whatever the function, binary search function that we have added here also searches a value effectively in a ascending order sorted value. So here the array that I have sorted is array 2, and the value that I want to search is array 1 of I. Okay, here whatever the binary search function that we have written here, it basically searches for a value and returns the index if at all, if it is available. If it is not available, we will return -1, right? So to capture that return value here, let's just define the result into a variable int index. Here it is showing some error because I have opened two parentheses here. So let me just clear one so the error will be gone away. Now if this value is common between two arrays, we want to add it onto a result list, right? That in the end we want to return. So that end result is nothing but set, because even if the intersection values is available multiple number of times, we have to add it only once. Although we can add it onto a list and check if the value is already available, then not adding is also possible, but the common functionality of set itself is not allowing the duplicates, right? So let me just use the set data structure itself. So here let's just define one variable set result set equal to new hash set. Okay, now if at all the index that I have got back while searching, and we know it can also return -1, right? -1 basically represents that it is not available. Intersection means it should be available in both the arrays. So here if at all the index that I am getting is greater than or equal to 0, in this case what I want to do is result set dot add of whatever the value at ith index of array 1. Once we execute the same logic for all the values, all the common intersection values which are unique will be added onto this result set. In the end, we can simply return result set directly. Okay, so that is the simplest implementation of finding the intersection values without consuming any memory. So remember that I have sorted the second array and I have iterated over first array, and while iterating every value at every index, I am searching if it is already available in index 2, and if it is available and it is not part of the common intersection values, here I am putting it onto this set. Okay, that is the logic that we are following here. Okay, anyway, we have written the code for calling the function as well, right? Now let's just try to see what could be the possible output. So the first array that I have passed is 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and the second array is 3, 3, 4, 5. Looking at here, 3 is available here and in the array 1 and array 2 as well. So 3 will be intersection value, and again 3 is available in two arrays as well. But we need unique intersection values, right? That's the reason why, since 3 we have already added, even if we add, set will not allow duplicate, right? So it is absolutely fine. So 3 will only be coming once. and 4 is available in both the arrays, so 4 will also be added onto the result set. So if I run this now, the expected output is 3 and 4. So if I run it as Java application, let's see what is the output. 3 comma 4 is what we have got on the console. Let me just expand it and let's just add few other scenarios. If I remove this 3 and make it to, let's just say 10, in that case also 3 is available here and here also, so 3 and 4 should be returned. So run as Java application, 3 4 we have got. Let's just say this 4 I made it to 20, so the only common values are basically 3 and 3. So if we run, only 3 should be there on the console. This also, if I modify this 3 to 12 and this 3 to 100, there are no common values, so it should return an empty set, which is what we have got on the console. So whatever the logic that we have written for finding the intersection values between two arrays, using binary searching technique is working perfectly fine. Okay, so basically this problem can be solved in various other ways as well. One of the technique that I can think of is using hash maps as well. You can use the problem link in the description box to reach codingpal.org. There I have visualized the same as well. You can check out the solution and understand it all by yourself too, and check out the code snippets as well if you need it. Okay, anyway, that is the effective way of finding the intersection of two arrays using binary searching technique. Okay, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next problem.